You can purchase licensing for customer insights journeys. You can expand the Get Started page here, and here you can see Purchase Custom Insights link. You can find all the information here how to purchase customer insights. It's best to go through Microsoft Partner or an account executive. You can purchase the base license as it includes 4 application installation for Customer Insights journeys and 4 for Customer Insights data. And if you own a pre-qualifying Dynamics 365 license, you are entitled to the attached pricing. By attached pricing, Microsoft means that you purchase a base license and then you purchase add-ons or attached licensing on top of the base license. You can also review the Dynamics 365 licensing guide here, which is a PDF document, and it's available on the Microsoft website, 70-page document, so enjoy the reading. This is the link for creating a trial environment for Dynamics 365. You can click Marketing, and this will show you customer insights, journeys, and you can try for free. This would come with 2 apps, remember. One is for the marketing and the other is for the customer insights data.